Hi, Emery. Can you sing happy birthday, Mimi? Can you say hi, Mimi?
Hi, Mimi.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say come here so we can go shop.
Suck. Mimi.
Okay, let's sing happy birthday. You ready? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Mimi, say Mimi. Say it loud. Mimi.
Mimi, down, down.
Okay. Well, that didn't turn out so well, but anyway.
Mimi?
Yeah? Just want to say happy birthday, Mimi. Say bye, Mimi. Say I love you.
I love you.
Okay. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Bye. You give her a kiss? Good job.